Hello, little adventurers! Welcome back to our magical garden where fruits and veggies come to life. Today, we have some special guests whose names start with the letters M, N, and O. Are you ready to meet them and discover their amazing flavors, colors, and health benefits? Grab your gardening gloves and let's get started on our delicious adventure. Let's go!
I'm Mango. Hi there, curious minds. I'm Mango. I come in vibrant shades of yellow, orange, and red. My smooth, juicy flesh tastes like a mix of peach, pineapple, and a hint of citrus. You'll love my tropical aroma. I'm packed with vitamins A and C, which help keep your eyes sparkling and your immune system strong. Enjoy me sliced or blended into smoothies for a sweet and nutritious treat.
2. Nectarine. Hello little explorers, I'm Nectarine. You'll recognize me by my smooth, slightly fuzzy skin that ranges from yellow to red. My juicy flesh tastes like a sweet mix of peach and plum with a delicate aroma. I'm full of vitamins A and C, which are great for your skin, eyes, and immune system. Bite into me for a burst of summer flavor, or chop me up into salads for a fruity twist.
3. Nutty Pear, Asian Pear. Hi there, adventurous kids. I'm Nutty Pear, also known as Asian Pear. My crisp texture and sweet, juicy flesh make me a favourite snack. I taste like a mix of pear and apple with a refreshing crunch. I'm loaded with dietary fibre and vitamin C, which helps keep your tummy happy and your body healthy. Enjoy me fresh for a crunchy treat, or sliced in fruit salad.
4. Orange. Hello, little one. I'm Orange. With my bright orange skin and juicy segments, I bring a burst of tangy sweetness to your day. Peel me open and discover my refreshing aroma. I'm packed with vitamin C, which helps keep your immune system strong and your skin healthy. Squeeze me into a glass for fresh orange juice, or enjoy me as a snack packed with vitamin-packed goodness.
Okra. Hey kids, I'm Okra. My long, slender green pods have a unique texture that's both crunchy and slightly slimy when cooked. Don't let that scare you though. I'm full of flavour. I'm a good source of vitamins A and C, which are important for your eyesight and immune system. Try me sliced and sautéed with a sprinkle of salt, or added to stews for a delicious, nutritious boost.
6. Onion. Hi there, young chefs. I'm Onion. I come in different colors like white, yellow, and purple with layers that add flavor to many dishes. When you chop me, I release a pungent aroma that makes your eyes water. I'm rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help keep you healthy and strong. Add me to soups, salads, and stir-fries to enhance the taste and nutrition of your meals.
7. Olive. Hey kids, I'm Olive. You'll find me in shades of green and black, packed with a unique flavor that's both salty and tangy. I grow on trees and have a small pit inside. I'm full of healthy fats and vitamin E, which are great for your skin and brain. Enjoy me as a snack in salads or on pizzas for a burst of Mediterranean flavor.
Miss Mulberry. Hey kids, I'm Mulberry. My small dark purple berries are sweet and juicy, with a flavour that's a mix of tartness and sweetness. I'm packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which help keep your body healthy and full of energy. You can pick me fresh from trees in the summer, or enjoy me dried in snacks like trail mix. Add me to your yogurt or cereal for a delicious and nutritious treat.
9. Mushroom. Hello, little nature lovers. I'm Mushroom. I come in different shapes and sizes, from small buttons to large portobellos. I have a mild dishes. I'm low in calories but packed with vitamins B and D, which are important for your bones, muscles, and immune system. Try me sautéed with garlic and herbs, or add me to soups and omelets for a tasty and nutritious meal.
10. Oyster mushroom. Hello, little foodies. I'm Oyster Mushroom. My thin oyster-shaped caps come in shades of white, gray, and pink. I have a delicate texture and mild, nutty flavor that's delicious when cooked. I'm low in calories but high in vitamins B and D, which are important for your body's growth and energy levels. Try me sautéed with garlic and herbs, or add me to soups and stir-fries for a tasty and nutritious meal.
Wow! What an amazing adventure we had today with our friends Mango, Nectarine, Nashi Pear, Orange, Okra, Onion, Olive, Mulberry, Mushroom, and Oyster Mushroom. We've learned so much about their vibrant colors, delicious flavors, and the vitamins they bring to keep us healthy and strong. Remember to eat a variety of fruits and veggies every day to keep your body happy and healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun, educational videos with other awesome fruits and veggies. Until next time, happy gardening and